Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making taco squares. Alright guys, I'm starting out in a large bowl. I have 2 cups of all-purpose baking mix. This here's Jiffy, but you use Bisquick or something like that. And I have a half a cup of cold water in here. I'm going to mix this together to make a dough. And this is going to be the base layer in our taco squares. And guys, Dexter's making up for lost time today. He's all wound up. Yes, Dexter, we hear ya. Okay, now I'm just going to set this aside for just right now. Now I have a 9x13 baking pan here. Let me zoom out a little bit, guys. Now I'm going to take some vegetable spray and spray it in here. Making sure I'm coating it good. And it's soon time for some more vegetable spray. Alright, now I'm going to take that all-purpose baking mix and put it down into the pan. And I'm going to form this down into like a crust on the bottom of the 9x13 baking pan. Alright guys, now in that bowl I mix the all-purpose baking mix in. I'm just going to use that, I'm not going to dirty another bowl. I'm going to take a cup of sour cream and I'm just going to eyeball this, guys. I have some old stuff in the fridge I need to use up. What, Dexter? Dexter smells this taco meat here I made and he's getting all charged up. Okay, that's roughly about a cup. Now I'm also going to put in 2/3 cup of mayonnaise. You could use Miracle Whip for this, but I have mayonnaise on hand, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, that's looking about right. I have 1 small onion I diced up, that's going in. Okay, let me give my hand a quick rinse. And I'm going to add in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. It's going to be a really nice cheesy taco square casserole. And if I go over here, that's no big deal. I'm going to give that a stir to mix that together well. Holly's over here eating Chips Ahoy's in the background there, making background noise for me. Don't fill up on there, Holly. Save some room for this. Okay, I'm going to set that aside for just now. I'm going to my baking pan over here. Okay, now I have 2 pounds of ground beef that I browned up and I put 2 packs of taco seasoning mix in according to the directions. I'm going to layer that into my 9x13 baking pan with that all-purpose baking mix in. Just want to spread that evenly. And guys, this would be a good foundation for a taco pizza. Maybe we'll explore that later on. Alright. Now I'm going to take my cheese and sour cream mixture and I'm going to spread this out evenly on top of the taco meat. Yes, Dexter. Alright. Now we got that in there. You just want to smear it out evenly, that way there as this bakes. That'll melt down into there and make it that much more better, guys. Dexter! Do you mind? We're out here doing a video. He wants to come out here, he wants to jump right in here and get cooking, guys. You know I love you, Dexter, but you gotta hold the noise down. I'm doing a video. Alright guys, now I have some sliced tomato here. I'm going to put a nice layer on top of this. And if you don't like tomato, you can leave this out. But tomato and cheese, anything, goes perfect together, guys. And this is 2 tomatoes I'm using. Alright, now I'm going to take a green bell pepper that I diced up. We're going to layer that on top of the tomato. Spreading that out even. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to take some more shredded cheddar cheese. Yeah, Dexter. Put it on top here. And we're going to put a healthy layer on there, guys. Holly's out here, Dexter. And this is probably a cup and a half that I put on top there, guys. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a 350 degree oven uncovered for a half hour to bake. And we'll pull that out and that'll be ready to roll. Alright guys, this just came out of the oven. It's ready to go. Look at how good that looks. Nice and cheesy, and see them tomatoes there poking through. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in there and give that a try. See, it's nice and cheesy. The cheese pulling away there. That crust on the bottom, that's nice and crispy. Browned. It's really good, guys. You get cheesy, that classic taco taste from the ground beef. The flaky crust on the bottom. I'm going to try some tomato with that cheese because I know that's going to be awesome. A smaller bite there, guys. That's really good, guys. Alright, there you have it. Taco squares. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see ya.